This is Robusta coffee and this one Arabica coffee. And then this is a coffee bean. Ready take out red color, yeah? But this one green not ready, but it's ready. This is the animal mongoose. In Bali we call luwak. In the morning they eat fruit like a banana and then papaya. And then in the night they eat coffee bean. Mix Robusta and Arabica and then process in the stomach. And then they poo. And then we take the poo and process for the coffee. We make a coffee from the poo. Traditional processed coffee. This is a luwak coffee. This is the poo from the animal.
Yeah, from the civet cut.
Yeah.
Yan,
And then this one,
kinain niya na.
we open first one by hand like this. This one, this is the moop skin. And then inside, this is the coffee bean.
Oh, that's inside coffee bean.
And then the first process, our boiling of chicken, we don't have the water. And then dry until 2 days. All process. And then for the last process, we filter.
Picture natin.
Kinuha niya ate Bali Coffee, ginseng siguro yan.
Sarap eh.
Ano to?
Mamaya, sarap.
Parang may coconut milk doon.
Di Bali Coco, yan Bali Coco yan.
Ano ba? Para mapahang.
Masarap.
Apa?
Diba? Man mo.
Sabi ko, sarap. Alam ko, sarap mapahang. Ay, gusto ko to. Matcha to, matcha. Para matcha. Sarap. The best.
Ako talaga di ko makasahan sa panlasa mo. It's parang Coco.
Ito, lasa Nescafe.
Ano pala,
Nescafe.
Junior pala yate, Junior.
3-in-1 coffee. Oo nga. Ito.
Ano yung lasa? Ano yan?
Nescafe.
Di ko makasahan sa panlasa.
Ito ko.
Lalo na kape. Gusto niya kape yung malabnaw eh. Yung walang lasa halos.
Oh, diba?
Shit. Yung, oo, yung
Nescafe.
kulay lang.
Akin to.
Lang.
Akin to. Green tea.
Mousse. Meron nga. Hindi, iya ano mo.
Sarap pa na. Wow. So guys, nasa zoo kami. Sa Bali Zoo. Hey. Look at my outfit. Hey, I'm an explorer. So fun. Second day in Bali, Indonesia. It's Christmas. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me and myself and I. Hey. So you can see the crocodile. Very dangerous sa labi. Buaya. Simula. Free. Thank you. Hello. Let's go upstairs.
pagdala ka sa lubong mo, nakawala pala.
Puta ka, subat na ako. Tulak ko si TJ. Happy birthday.
Hi.
Oh, tapi maliit lang din.
Hindi malaki yan.
Baka na ano pa Pokemon.
Look at the bird. You see a bird here. And it's Barong Kasuri, Southern Kasuri. Look at that. A turtle. Cutie turtles. Look at those turtles. Oh, cutie. Oh, cutie pie. It's this.
Alam mo ba may ano?
Cutie. Woo! What's that? No, Malayan Pier. See a long neck turtle. A long neck turtle. A turtle. That one is so cute.
Ano sila ng kangaroo?
Look at them. Yeah, look at them.
Ay, mukhang gremlin nga.
Cute, ang liit niya.
Liit.
Ang liit.
Hindi ka lang pala kaliit.
Lucky. Laki niya.
Ganyan ka lang kayo nag-vlog sa bahay namin.
Look at the bird. Wow. Hey, King Julian. I want to move it, move it. I want to move it, move it. There's a fox. Oh, cute. It's a fennec fox. Aww. Look at this. Look at this baby boy. Look at this one. Hello. Hey. Go, girl. Give it. She's there. Female peacock. Ooh, look at that duck. Another duck. And a fish. Oh. Wow. So many birds. Hi. Look. Oh. Mag-workout yan.
Workout.
Nagre-ready na yung tumalon dito.
Hey, workout.
Look at that boy. A big boy. Meerkats. Hello. Wow. Cutie. Hello.
Kaya meerkat na gano'n na kayo.
I'm inside here with a meerkat anyway. Oh, look at him. Oh, penguin. Hindi naman gaano kaliit naman natin. I survive. Look, look at the lion. Look at this one. Wow. Wow. She's laying. Diyan kami nag-slide. Kasi glass bridge. Hey.